Waking up with stiffness in your back, hips, or knees, you're not alone. Over 70% of adults over 45 experience morning joint pain or muscle tightness. But here's the good news. Just 10 minutes each morning can keep you pain-free, flexible, and more mobile throughout the day. In this video, I'll walk you through a doctor-approved 10-minute morning stretch routine designed specifically for adults over 45. No equipment needed, just your body, your breath, and 10 quiet minutes to reset your joints. Let's begin. Stretch number 1. Standing forward fold. Start by standing tall with feet hip-width apart. Gently fold forward from your hips, not your waist. Let your hands hang or rest on your shins. This stretch opens up your hamstrings, calves, and lower back, areas that stiffen overnight. Keep a slight bend in your knees to protect your lower back. Hold for 30 seconds. Breathe deeply. Stretch number 2, hip flexor stretch. Step your right foot forward into a gentle lunge. Keep your back knee down, hips square. This stretch opens the hip flexors, which tighten from sleeping curled or sitting for long hours. Don't overarch your back. The goal is to feel the stretch in the front of the hip. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch legs. Stretch number 3, standing quad stretch. Stand tall and grab your right foot behind you. Gently pull your heel toward your glutes. This targets the quadriceps, essential for knee support and daily mobility. Hold onto a chair or wall for balance. Hold for 20-30 seconds each side. Stretch number 4, cat-cow. Move down to hands and knees. Inhale as you arch your back, cow. Exhale as you round your spine, cat. This is one of the best movements to wake up the spine and release tension in the neck and back. Move slowly. Avoid jerking motions, especially if you have back sensitivity. Repeat for 1 minute, flowing with your breath. Stretch number 5, child's pose. From the same position, push your hips back over your heels, arms extended forward. This classic yoga pose lengthens the spine, hips, and shoulders, reducing morning tightness and calming the nervous system. Hold for 45 seconds, breathing slowly and fully. Stretch number 6, seated spinal twist. Sit cross-legged or with legs extended. Place your right hand behind you and your left hand on your right knee. Gently twist. This movement promotes spinal mobility and helps with digestion, which can be sluggish in the morning. Keep your spine tall. Don't force the twist. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Stretch number 7, ankle circles. Sit or lie back. Lift one leg slightly and rotate your ankle in slow circles. After 45, many people lose ankle mobility, which affects balance and leg strength. Do 10 circles each direction per ankle. Never skip your ankles. They're your foundation. Stretch number 8, wrist and shoulder rolls. Sit comfortably. Roll your shoulders forward and back 10 times. Then rotate each wrist gently in both directions. These simple movements improve circulation and joint lubrication, helping prevent that stiff grip or shoulder ache. Great for those who spend time on devices or at desks. Stretch number 9. Neck rolls and chin tucks. Sit or stand tall. Gently lower your chin to your chest. Then slowly roll your head from side to side. Then do 3 to 5 chin tucks. Gently pull your chin straight back, like you're making a double chin, to strengthen neck posture. These relieve neck tension and help realign the spine after sleeping. That's it. Just 10 minutes. But if you do this every morning, here's what you may notice. Less stiffness, better posture, reduced pain in hips, knees and lower back. More energy and focus by mid-morning. The key is consistency. Don't rush, don't overstretch. Over time, your muscles will respond with more flexibility, less inflammation, and improved strength. If any movement causes pain, stop, modify, or skip it. This routine is a tool, not a test. Want more daily health routines like this? Subscribe now and tap the bell so you don't miss future videos. Your health isn't about intensity, it's about consistency. Stay strong, stay mobile.